Today, AI tools have become an integral part of every field, including content creation and academic writing. These tools have significantly improved our abilities to brainstorm ideas, generate content, paraphrase it, correct grammar, alter tone, and much more. But the major limitation with most GPT tools is that they use publicly available information to generate a response that might not be correct or relevant to the subject. They may even refer to the irrelevant resources, and relying on data generated from such tools may have severe consequences in academia. For academic writing and publishing, it is crucial to have reliable information from authentic sources. You are watching Explore Bio with Dr. Abhishek, and in today's video tutorial, I will share with you not just a tool but a complete AI package that can significantly boost your academic writing capabilities. Yomu.ai, a single tool that offers a wide variety of features. You can generate an outline, brainstorm ideas, elaborate any text, paraphrase it, summarize it, provide supporting and contradictory arguments, write conclusions and summaries, which sometimes can be very challenging. You can find relevant references, add citations, edit the document, and even check for plagiarism. I will explain each of these features in detail so that you can decide whether you should go for it. This tool will take majority of your pain so that you as an author can devote more time in putting your creativity, knowledge, logics and reasoning to work, while Yomu will assist you to finish your projects faster. Now without any delay, let's quickly see how you can use Yomu.ai in academic writing. This is the home page of Yomu. It says it can help you writing reports, papers, thesis and essays much quicker. As you scroll down the page, you can see all the features the tool offers along with short description about them. Let's sign up if you are a new user or log in to start using Yomu, or you can click on Start Writing, which will take you to the login page. Let me log in using my credentials. A verification link may be sent to your email using which you can log in to your account. So I just click on the verification link to log in to the Yomu's account. The dashboard looks clean. I find the access to every feature quite easy. You can start using Yomu by creating a document. Now suppose I want to write a review paper on relevance of sound in plant kingdom. Here you get three options. You can generate an outline to guide you in writing, or you can generate ideas, or you can start a blank document with just the title you entered. I would be going for generating an outline for a review on relevance of sound in plant kingdom. I really wondered how quickly it has generated an outline. This way, even if you do not have any idea, you at least have a basic structure of the document to begin with. Now if you want, you can ask Yomu to do various things with the selected text. Suppose I wanted to write the introduction in detail. So I will just select Write in Depth feature and wait for Yomu to auto-write the entire section. This is really amazing as most other academic tools write line by line, but you can see within seconds it has written an entire paragraph. It also provides multiple suggestions to choose from. Upon reading the language, I truly find it academic. Now if you want to write further about a particular section, you can select it and use the Write in Depth feature of Yomu. It will add on more related to the text you selected, and everything will seem to be in proper flow. You can ask Yomu.ai to do certain things like paraphrase, shorten, elaborate, or academize a few words or sentences. Another useful feature of the tool is providing auto-suggestion. When you press Shift and Tab key together, the tool will automatically recognize the context of the previous paragraph and suggest you subsequent statements. To incorporate the suggestions, you need to press the Tab key. You can do this as many times as you want, like I am doing here. Depending upon the length of the article you wish to write, you can keep on writing. For academic writing, you must cite the sources referred. Yomu.ai provides an easy option to find relevant papers and cite them in your text. Just select text, click cite, and within seconds, it will provide a list of papers that is relevant to the text. You can read here if the paper is suitable, or you can open the entire paper by clicking Open in New tab to read in depth about that paper. This is a very important feature for researchers and students to give proper credit to original authors to avoid possible plagiarism. By clicking on Add Citation, you can instantly add in-text citation. The same would be reflected automatically in the reference section. If you do not find the relevant paper, you can also add citations manually, writing title, author name, and other details. You can also format the reference automatically by using the AI feature and click on Add Citation. It will be reflected in the document. The next useful feature of the tool is detecting plagiarism. Whether intentional or unintentional, plagiarisms are not uncommon. Just to check this feature, I have copied a few paragraphs from 2 published papers to see if this tool can detect plagiarism. You just have to click on Plagiarism Detector and it will generate a plagiarism report within a matter of seconds. In the right, you can see the results. It will give information about the plagiarized sources and percent similarity in your text. You can open the source paper to read more about it. You can avoid plagiarism by rewriting and giving proper citations to it. Another interesting and useful feature of this tool is that you can ask it to find and write supporting or opposing arguments. And in a similar way, you can add citations to it. This will help you strengthen the literature review or discussion section of the research articles, essays, and thesis. Although you have to use your own analytical skills to find what is more appropriate for your article. But this gives you a basic idea about what you can discuss about. Similar to the write in depth feature of the tool, you can also convert bullet points to detailed text under brainstorming section. Writing ideas as bullet points are useful for creating a strong outline and improve clarity about writing. Also, bullet points can easily be rearranged in the document to maintain the flow of the article. This makes elaborating the text and in-depth writing much more convenient. You can format the text as you do in the Word or LaTeX documents. You can choose among different level of headings, plain text, add bullet points or numberings. You can bold, italicize and underline the text. Clicking on the image icon, you can insert previously saved image to this document. You can add the caption too and add reference to that image in the main text using the / that will automatically suggest what you need to refer. Similarly, you can add table, modify columns and rows as per requirements. You can also add caption for the table and add reference to it just as we did while inserting the figure. Just remember to follow the right notion for citing it. If you wish, you can ask the tool for writing introduction and conclusion section for you. It will analyze the entire text and frame suitable introductions and conclusions. Here I ask it to write the conclusion, and within a matter of few seconds it has generated an entire conclusion. Here you get option to save the document in various formats and get a link to share it with others. You can directly jump to the specific headings by switching to the Outline tab to quickly navigate through the document. You can add different levels of headings to make your document more organized and facilitate easy navigation. When you click on the setting, you can find options to choose among 13 different languages, 3 common citation styles, and GPT versions. To learn more about the individual features offered by the tool, you can click on the tutorials. It will provide you the link for individual tutorials. How to start a document, auto-complete it, edit, cite, add figures, tables, formula, downloading the document, and much more. Yomu.ai can help you in different academic writings by providing a basic structure, suggesting and writing suitable content, and checking for plagiarism. It can be a great assistant in finding related reference papers and citing them and exporting the documents for use with reference managers like Zotero and Mendeley. However, it is your responsibility as an author about the authenticity and the content. You should use your own creativity and analytical skills to ensure the authenticity of what you write and publish. Nevertheless, Yomu.ai can really boost your productivity, saving a lot of your time and provide useful insights. You can try out a starter plan to check out its features. And if you think it is really useful, you may go for other premium plans. For annual plans, you will get significant discounts. If interested, you can use my 20% and 40% discount code and the link given in the description below to get the best offers on these tools. So that's all for today's video. If you find the video useful, do share it with others. Mention in the comment which feature do you find most useful. Check out my other useful videos on AI tools, research and publishing and lot more to make your academic writing journey seamless. Thanks and stay connected for more such stuffs.